What's up, everybody? It's your boy Arlie, aka Young Garlic, coming to you live with another day of our trading journey. This is day 12, and I have DJ Riley, aka Professor Riley, aka the one you love to hate, here with me. What do you got to say to us, Riley? Open us up.
Who the fuck is Riley?
Okay, well, that's you know, it's whatever.
Who's no who's Riley?
Stop,
I'm Young Garlic,
folks,
bro. No, I'm Young Garlic,
folks.
bro.
Riley's got it in his head, and he just wants to be me so
Oh
bad.
my
We
god.
are developing so fast as traders that Riley can't stand it, and he has to become us so he can take over our powers. He has created a monster, everybody. He has no idea what he's done. But, anyways, I got Riley here with me. He's just going to kind of sit through while we go through our trades. Um, as always, we got our links below. Please come like some of our content. Follow us on all of our socials. We have our Discord down below. We live trade, provide live analysis daily. On the membership side, we will provide, I guess, seminars throughout the day. Just quick little bits of what we're seeing and why we see it, how we deduce decision making in the markets throughout the day. But yeah, good day, everybody. We are up. What were we up? 10% today. I added some more capital to the account, so technically the account is sitting at $250. We're still kind of red on the week, and we can attribute that to our Monday losses we took because we had some bad decisions and it created a new rule for us. It's still going to happen as we keep going on, learning new rules and learning what to do and what not to do. If you remember, we tried to play a gap fill. I over leveraged on what I was considering to be a lotto, and I got smacked around because of it. But that's okay, because we made some good trades today, folks. Market was really weird if you traded with us today. Um, just weird. I mean, with OPEX going on, CPI, PPI this week, short week, it just kind of weird, but we traded through it. We had some good trades today. I think we went 3 for 4. Um, and I mean, one of the trades we stopped out on would have been a good trade anyway, but we'll go through it. So yeah, let's get started. First trade we took today at 9:48 was a call. Beautiful entry on this trade right here. I was using the 3 and 5 minute today, kind of make sure that we confirm our bounces and everything like that. Entered here at this candle at 9:48 and exited up here at 10:27. Right, so perfect trade. This is more of a scalp, to be fair. I mean, it was a 45-minute hold, but this, I mean, as you can see, we were pretty bearish on this today, so this is kind of a scalp. Let me see, add these back. You see how we come down into our long signal, or our short signal, excuse me. We consolidate for a little bit, we come up and test. Alright, I'm pretty sure on a 5-minute close. Alright, we never really get a 5-minute close over it, and we end up dumping. So I ended up buying here at the bottom and sold at the test of our short signal. So good trade. I think this was to start the day off like a 30% banger. All right, remember we're only trading one contract at a time right now. The account's growing, so maybe next week on Wednesday, when the week's a little bit shorter and we're staying within our rules and trading contracts with at least 2 days to expiry, we can play maybe 2 or 3 contracts at a time. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, good trade. Bought the bottom down here. Pull up volume. All right, you see our bull volumes here at open. Bear's gonna bring us down, and this is a pretty evident like exhaustion to the bear side. Right, the bulls are stepping in, held through this candle. Bear volume isn't there. We come up, tweezer bottom here. All right, the bears try to bring us down, but we make a higher low. Held through this, sold at the top. We start getting a little weak, testing that short signal. So good trade. All right, staying within our risk. We did our profit taking rules, and we held with confidence. Learning this system, learning price action. A pretty easy trade for us. Next was at 10:31. I shorted, so I pretty much exited this and went short. So 10:31 went short up here. All right, so we're rejecting, kind of consolidating over the short signal, and I see this wick right here, and I know we're good. We come down. I ended up selling this at 10:47. Right, so kind of this candle right here could have held this a little bit longer, but I mean at this point it's green. The account's still small. We're not going to penny pinch, or we will penny pinch and go ahead and stay green on some stuff regardless. So 10:31 we got in, 10:47 we got out. So we kind of rode this little wave down. Would have been a good hold the rest of the day, but I think we would have money on this. No, we would have been close, right? But it would have been a really good play for the whole day. But we're not there yet, right? This could have been a partial take, ride, partial take, ride the whole day. But we're not there yet. So yeah, we got this was like a 10% gain or something. I think I sold here, kind of this area where we see us bouncing. Um, and yeah, not bad. Next trade we took a loss on, a little $10 loss, nothing bad. 1101 went long. All right.
Powering off. Powering on. Mic on.
Died. How convenient.
Battery low.
All right, 1101.
Charging battery.
Right, take a call. I see that we're trying to make a higher low here. We're kind of just riding this little level. Right. All right, we're trying to ride this right here. 1101 I entered, 1111 I exited. Right, and this was still long. This was long. So bought here, right, on this candle, and then closed over here. So if I would have held, I probably could have got a little bit, but ultimately this was kind of a weak bounce. See, we're kind of curving up after downward action. Start wicking super high, like it just looks very weak. You know, these super long wicks to the upside. Just looks super weak. Just went in and took my $10 loss. It is what it is. But I mean, I'm okay with that. I mean, not a bad entry. The thesis was there, holding this level that we bounced off of before. Like R&R is good. You know, we can either come, like if we make this lower high confirm this higher low here, we could have came back up and tested this again, and then ultimately the median, and then ultimately breaking through our long signal. So yeah, it's $10 loss. We're okay with it. Next trade, last trade I took, this was a little $3 gain. This was kind of a weird play. Right, it was kind of awkward because I ended up exiting this and I wanted to go short. So I wanted to kind of see, like I was seeing us make lower lows. I'm trying to kind of watching this level break. And I ended up buying at 1122 a short. All right, you see how we perk up. I'm still within my risk though because we bought time. So we perk up here. I hold through this, hold through this, hold through this. Ended up selling down here. Wasn't that big of a gain. It wasn't bad. I mean, I think it was like 5 or 6%. Would have been a bigger gain if I would have held it, but I was really just happy to get out break even because it was not a good entry. Not a bad entry, just ultimately really bad timing. Not like it was a bad decision, but the market just kind of did opposite of what I thought it was going to do. But we stayed within risk. I think I was only down 10% on this, and I held because I started seeing these. This is kind of why I want more buying power on the count, though. Because, like, I'm 100 million trillion% confident that I would have averaged down right here on this candle. Right, like this is kind of an easy short signal. Like right, we get our long upper wicks, which tells me we're going to be entering a downtrend soon, at least short term. We get our downtrend starting to form, we're rounding over, and then we see this candle, right? And then our look at our bear volume right here too. All right, it's bigger than our bull volume from before. Bears are here and they're stepping in. Could have averaged down here. We break below this level that we were bouncing off all day. Could have averaged down here. Just kind of rode this move out. Took a partial here, right? And then ultimately it could have closed here, shorted again here. But yeah, this is like a $4 gain or something. I was playing next week contracts, so I was over leveraged. I didn't get to trade as much today, but I mean, right now with the account being so small, any trade I take for next like a week out at least is going to kind of be over leveraged, but our risk is still cut down because our IV is lower, and the bigger the account gets, we can buy closer to the money, and these moves will still be producing large percent gains. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Quick little video. Again, really loving where we're at. As Riley said before in the week, we are progressing. We are evolving as traders, and just gonna keep grinding. I say it all the time. I don't really have a choice but to be successful at this because I get my ass kicked by the markets all the time. It makes me mad. So I've decided to do something about it. That's the whole point of this journey, right? We're trying to do things the right way, implement a system, track our trades daily, um, and but yeah. Riley, you got anything you want to say before we do our outro and shut down?
Who's Riley?
Young Garlic, you got anything you want to say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. Got you. I like
Yeah,
it.
I'm
Short and
feeling
sweet.
myself.
But yeah, so you guys heard it here first, guys, from Young Garlic. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but yeah,
Yeah.
well that'll be the video. Thank you for that addition, Young Garlic. We love it.
That's no problem.
If you guys want to hear more yurts, we live trade daily and do live analysis daily in our Discord. Please check out our link below. Shameless plug time as always. My Weeble account is below. If you want to change brokers, Weeble is commission free. If you want to get into day trading, you're not trading, you want to get into it, please use the link I have below when you create an account. Because we both get free stocks, which means free money. I think Riley, what you got a 60,000% gain today?
54,000.
54,000. It was like such sleazy marketing. Riley had an old challenge for it that was kind of blown up, and someone used his link. He woke up after he sold the positions that it gave him for free, and he was up like 60,000%. So but we do like that. Use that link below. Our Discord is below if you want to come in and see live trading, live analysis daily, and hear from Young Garlic himself as he puts out bangers. But that's going to be it today. Riley's already put in his yurt and already said what he needed to say. So we're going to go ahead and sign out. If you guys have any questions, please leave questions, comments, concerns below, or come contact me on Discord. My DMs are always open. And with that, you guys have a good weekend.